All right, I'm back again with another DIY video. The Can-Ams in the United States do not come with the locks for the parking brake nor for the frunk. So I wanted to DIY something that I didn't actually have to run wires. And of course, I didn't want to put a lock on it because I've got to drill holes according to the specs for the frunk lock and as well as the parking brake lock down here. So I ended up going on Amazon and finding this $17 alarm that was sold on there, which I ended up just putting it on my lanyard with my key dongle, so that way when I'm going into a restaurant or something, you know, I have it with me, can put my key on here. I put mine in the front because I wanted to make sure, you know, if somebody came to mess with my bike, especially opening the frunk, it just 3M taped right to the lid of it. Close it, and then it's a simple arm. And then what happens is if somebody comes to try to open it, it beeps at them. Then it gets really mad. And then if they do get it open, it goes off. You know, not bad for a $17, not having to wire anything to the bike. And now, you know, if somebody tries to open this, I know they're gonna set the thing off. It does have a motion sensor. I've noticed sometimes when I've had the bike armed, like if I'd set my helmet on the seat of the bike, it does occasionally set the alarm off. So I think if somebody actually tried to take the bike, you know, put it in neutral and then tried to drag it, they would end up setting this alarm off once there was enough vibration to trigger it, because that is basically how this alarm works, is vibration feelings. So anyhow, just a quick, cheap, easy install, and at least I can hear the freaking alarm go off if somebody tries to get into my front. And possibly, like I said, if they tried to move my bike for any reason, with enough pulling or whatever, it would definitely set off the alarm in there. Hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.